Hello everyone, this is Mayank Sanghvi from vlemon.com and I'm back with another e-commerce admin panel tutorial series video, and in this video we are going to learn about how to create our development environment. Let's create our development environment on Windows. For this video we are going to refer to this blog post. This blog post URL is available in the description of this video, or you can click on this notification icon. For downloading XAMPP, we need to visit on apachefriends.org download.html page. For this, I'm going to click on this URL and then I'm going to click on this download button. We are downloading 7.2.3 PHP 7.2.3 version. Click on save file. Wait for the download to complete. Our download is completed successfully. Double click on this to open this file. If user account control asks for your permission, click on yes. Verified publisher Bitrock incorporation file origin hard drive on this computer. Click on yes. And let me close these two tabs. It is no longer required. Bitnami. Okay, so we have a warning dialog. Click on OK. This is the welcome window for XAMPP setup wizard. Click on next. Select the components you want. Yes, I want everything, so I'm not going to uncheck anything. Click on next. Select the folder where you want to install XAMPP. So yes, I want to install XAMPP in C XAMPP folder. If you want to change it, feel free to change. Click on next. I don't want to know more about Bitnami, so I'm going to uncheck this checkbox. If you are not going to uncheck this checkbox, the installer is going to open this URL. Okay. So I'm going to click on next. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your Windows machine. Click on next. And now wait for the installer to complete. Finally, XAMPP installation is completed successfully. And if you don't want to start the control panel now, you can uncheck this checkbox and then you can click on finish. So let me uncheck this checkbox and then I'm going to click on finish. Now I want to know how to launch control panel. For this, I'm going to open Windows Explorer, select this PC, go to C drive, XAMPP folder, and this is our XAMPP control panel. Double click to launch XAMPP control panel. We are launching it first time, so that's why we need to select language. I'm going to select default, click on save, and this is our XAMPP control panel. Double click. So this is our XAMPP control panel. Right now, Apache MySQL, FileZilla, everything is not running. So in this we have a problem. Port 80. Someone is using port 80. So let me first check the first culprit. I'm going to open iNet Manager. iNet Manager is IIS. I'm going to select this and then I'm going to click on stop. Let me close this and then let me try to start it one more time. And now our Apache is running. So let's open our browser and then I'm going to simply type localhost. So this is our localhost or XAMPP dashboard. Let me open another tab and this time I'm going to type localhost and then PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so access denied and lots of error. You are right and your assumption is definitely correct. MySQL is not running. So let me close this first. I'm going to click on start and now I'm going to refresh this page. And now our PHP MyAdmin is working. Let me go back on XAMPP control panel, and if you want to stop anything, click on this stop button. So this is the installation step for XAMPP in Windows, and in our next video we are going to learn about how to edit a host file, how to edit a vhost file for creating a local website environment. We are going to use our local website environment for our development purpose. So these are the installation steps. Using these steps you can install XAMPP in your Windows machine. Some important URLs.